Hey guys, today we're working on a 07, 08 Forester. We also have to take this belt molding off. I'm not good at taking this off. I break it all the time. So I'm gonna lower the window down. So I'm gonna plug my switch back in. It's got one right here and one right here. There's little screws right here. Usually they're broken. Right there. Peel this back. And I believe there's one more on this side. Right here. Once you get these two screws out, voila! What I would do is just put these back on, and then when it comes back from paint, we'll go ahead and put it back together. And that's how I take the belt molding off the rear right door.